Do y'all know the balance that I have in the 401k?
This is just an entry of a qualified domestic relations order. There's not much in the account per Mr. Mendoza, so he's not opposed to us. I would offer the pay record as States Exhibit A to
Okay,
confirm that there is a balance owed. And what we explained to him is the way that the QDRO is written is that we're going to collect what's there or what's owed, whichever is less. So as of yesterday, he owes 13,500 and change. He thinks it's only about 500 to 1,000 that's in the 401k. So we're only going to take what's there. We can't obviously take more than what's there.
all right.
So we would offer the pay record as States Exhibit A to show that there is an arrears balance owed to justify the QDRO, since he did log off. But he is in agreement with it being entered based on my staff's conversation with him.
Okay, let me just check something. There he is.
There he is.
I have her not served.
Well, and that's the thing. So this is the entry of a QDRO. So I don't think it requires personal service. That's why I was saying earlier that it was just Rule 21A notice, which we did send to her. And obviously we sent it to him because he's called in. So that's why I was saying I think that we're okay to proceed because we typically don't request personal service.
Right. But Rule 21A, do you have there because there is no reset and there is no certificate of service on the, or let me look on the order setting this case for hearing. If you want to share your screen, because there's no certificate of service attached. So, Mr. Mendoza, while he looks in his file, can you turn on your video and click on the little red microphone? Let me think. Yeah, it's a motion.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, raise your right hand, Genaro. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you may put your hand down. I have that you all filed the motion on April 26th. Today is the first setting, and the order to set this case for hearing via Zoom was signed on April 30th. There was a citation issued anyway as to her, which would have given her the Zoom code. But since it came back unserved, Mr. Schamberger, is there any way if you all did mail it out to her that you want to share the screen?
I don't have that specifically, Your Honor. So, I mean, if we want to, just because at the end of the day, it's not really going to change much because he's already in agreement, we can reset it to July 17th just to give her notice with the reset order.
All right,
out of an abundance of caution.
I had one question.
Yes,
The question was for they all to take out of my 401k, right? That was
yes.
And do y'all know the balance that I have in the 401k?
I do not. Maybe
I do not.
Okay,
maybe
Mr. Mendoza, well, what we're gonna do is we need to serve her with notice. Apparently, the amount you owe in past due child support is more than you have in that the retirement account, okay? So since we're coming back on July the 17th.
Let me write that down.
Yeah, there is a way, I guess you can find out and see how much is in there. That way you can be well informed, okay?
Yeah, because I did coincidentally check 2 days ago and I only had like 586 in there.
Okay, they may have a different number, but you want to check again. Again, it's not going to make a difference because the amount you owe is way more. So we're coming back on the 17th anyway of July, okay?
Okay, and another quick question, Your Honor. This is the first time ever appearing into court and doing this. What do I do as a parent, a non-custodial parent? You know, I have my days in this contract, but I'm not able to get them every weekend because she does not want to agree on her side.
Yeah, what you have to do, Mr. Mendoza, is contact an attorney.
Okay.
Because you can enforce those
And
visitations. As long as you
it's
have an
been-
order, you can enforce the
it's
visitation.
been about 5 years on and
Yeah.
off.
Yeah, just talk to an attorney and they can help you enforce the visitation schedule, okay?
All right. And
And Your Honor, I'm
um,
sharing the visitation hotline number for him to write it
Oh,
down.
yeah, take down this number, Mr. Mendoza. Because
Okay.
they can help you with the visitation. If you have any questions, you call them.
okay. Thank you. All right.
You took a
Hold on, he's
screenshot or
gonna
you got
put it on
phone
the
number?
screen.
No, I wrote it down. Yeah,
Okay,
I
you already got
wrote
it
it
down?
down. It says Texas Access Visitation Hotline. I wrote it down. 1 to 5,
Okay.
Monday through Friday.
How did he get it? Okay. All
Yeah,
right,
he's
Mr.
good.
You
Thank
can't
you.
see the
Appreciate it.
screen, Your Honor? I'm sharing the screen.
Appreciate it. I got it.
Okay, yeah, I didn't see, it's not on my screen.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Mendoza.
So July 17th,
Yes, sir.
same time, 9 in the morning.
Yes, same time.
Right.
Thank
The
you.
same information.
Yes, same
Okay,
information.
thank you. All right,
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you. I have a blessed one.
You too.